winter. Oh, Jesus. See, I'm a little dry because I was trying to wait and make this video for y'all. But today we're gonna be talking about winter lock moisture. Hey y'all, it's Ron. Welcome back to my channel. And what I'm pretty much gonna do is I'm gonna take these down, spray some water, like squirt some water in it. Not heavy, not too heavy, because you don't want them wet. You just wanna add a little water to it, just maybe like that, to kind of give it a little moisture. And then add your oil in, and then go from there. But you just wanna make sure that you're keeping your hair properly hydrated and moisturized during this tough time, because that can lead to some breakage, and we don't want that on our journeys. No one wants to wake up and find a lock, or you know, you go to pull your hair back one day and then the end of your lock just falls off. No one wants that. Alright, so even when my hair was like in these, I still did my moisture routine. I just, same thing, sprayed it down and ran my hands through it with my oil mixture, and I kind of just like put it in there, and then I put it in my satin cap, which I just did a video review on that, which I'm loving. And I put it in that cap, and I let it do its thing, and then I go out the next day and my hair doesn't look dry or anything. This can be done like if you have a style in your head or something like that, and it can be done on your loose locks. Make sure you're sticking to your wintertime routine regimen, and if you don't have one, I highly suggest you pick up one, because the way you treated your roots is the way that end of that hair is going to be for the most part. So do right by it now, so it'll do right by you later. Whew, so I'm gonna breeze through this and come back once we're at the moisture stage. Freedom! This is what it looks like before the moisture. Oh, this doesn't feel as dry or anything like that. This kind of feels really good, to keep it a buck with you. But this, like, my roots feel a little dry. Don't judge my roots. Bigger than I'd like them to normally be. So what we're gonna do is squirt bottom. Remember, lightly squirt it. Then we're gonna take our oil mixture. Gotta work fast, this stuff starts to get back in a solid state. You go down it in rows. And when you're doing this, if you're not trying to like stretch out your results from your twist out, just like bundle it up and wipe it and like squeeze it in, so to speak. But what I want you to really do is pay attention to those roots. There's probably a lot right there. I'm not using a mirror. I want to just let you guys know I'm really just trying to freeform this. I haven't figured out how to set a mirror up in this new setup. Nothing goes to waste. And that's how we knock out that's how I do my moisture hydrating routine. At this point, I'm doing it like 3 times a week, just because like I added an additional day, like I said, because of the weather. But this is normally done in the summer. It's like once a week because I don't have a moisture issue. But fall, spring, it's 2 times, and this winter it's looking like more so 3. But as always, I'll keep you guys posted on if anything should change with that. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, be sure to do that now. If you are subscribed but haven't yet hit that notification bell, be sure to hit that below so that you can get the notification as soon as this video comes out. And until next time, be easy.